This video is about reacting masses and volumes. The keyword in the question is mass of magnesium oxide, and it's given that there's 5 grams of magnesium with excess oxygen. So the concept of this question is calculating mass in reaction. So we're going to be using this equation as an example. We can draw out a table like so each element lines up in its individual column. So let's say that chloride is in excess, which means magnesium would be the limiting reactant, and there is 72 grams of magnesium. Let's look at a periodic table and find magnesium. So here we see that magnesium has the molar mass of 24.31, so we can write that in our table. And that would have the units of gram per mole. So we can take the mass divided by molar mass to get number of moles. And the answer we get, it's a long chain of number, but it's best to write out the full value. So magnesium and magnesium chloride have the molar ratio of 1:1. And so there is the exact same number of moles. So we can just write that down again. The molar mass is the molar mass of magnesium plus 2 times the molar mass of chloride. And we can take the number of moles times by molar mass, and we get our mass. And this number right here is the full number that we would get from our calculator. But if we were to look back at the number that is given in the question, there's 2 significant figures. And so we can round our answer to the same number of significant figure. We would get 280 grams of magnesium chloride. Back to our question, we can use the equation that's given and draw out the table that it's similar to the example. So from the question, we know that oxygen gas is in excess, which means magnesium is the limiting reactant. So we can write that in our table. And we know that there is 5 grams of magnesium. And the molar mass is 2 times of the molar mass of magnesium, which is 24.31. And we can take 5 grams divided by the molar mass, and we get number of moles. The molar ratio of magnesium to magnesium oxide is the ratio of 2:2. And so it's the same number of moles. Take number of moles times by molar mass, and we get the mass right here. If we were to look back at the question, we can see there's 2 significant figures in our answer. So we will round our answer up to 2 significant figures, so the answer will be 8.3 grams.